What's up, Better Days? Today we found a gravelly spot on the side of the road. I was looking on Google Maps at one of my favorite rivers, and I was looking for roads that run alongside it. And I found this little road, and then when I drove out here, just like a lot of times in Middle Tennessee, there was a little gravel spot where you could park and do some fishing. You can go upstream or downstream, and it's really cool. We're gonna start out throwing a few little lures at them, and if that doesn't work, we're going to try some live bait. There's got to be live bait everywhere in here. It's just so shallow. So we're gonna go out here and do the best we can. Should be some smallmouth in here. Even if we just catch some little ones, that'd be fantastic. I can see a bunch of bait fish right out here in front of me. Of course, that's the way it always is. As soon as you grab your cast net and start throwing at them, they scatter. But we have tried and tried and tried. We were throwing a Strike King crawl and then a weightless fluke, and we weren't having any luck. I was getting the fish to look at it, but none of them would eat it. They wouldn't even bite it. There we go. Man, yeah, that's good. Oh man, them fish are everywhere in there. All right. I usually pack this so that I can just take it right out of the bag and it's not compromised. It'll just work. Bam. Right out of the bag. If you can store your cast net that way, I suggest it. It'll work awfully hard to get them, but there's a bucket of bait fish. Got a couple little minnows, some shiners, creek chubs, even a little crawdad. They're tough to get, even though you can see them. When you throw at them, they just scatter. But we've got enough to get started. All right, we just got our first bite of the day right over here in this hole. Let's see if we can't get our first fish. It has been tough. Oh no, I just cast it into some limbs. Please let that bait fish still be on there. Looks like he is. That's how we lost our last bait fish. Bad cast. He's good though. Let's make a good cast. That's where it got hit before. Right when we threw in there. Yeah, something's on it. A couple of big fish are looking at it. A couple of nice bass. Real nice for this tiny little creek. Go under right there. Man, a bass just swam right up next to it and like looked at it. Well, we fished lures in these holes, we fished bait in these holes, we've had no luck. Let's move. Let's just walk up the river, see what we can find. I'm finding fish, I'm not getting them to bite. We gotta find some that'll bite. Oh, there's a bite. Finally, I got a bite on a soft plastic. Got one. Golly, you guys, I've been fishing for 3 hours. Looks like a rock bass. It's a decent rock bass. Yeah, he's huge. darn near a trophy. Well, that gets the skunk out of here. We tried this little crawl, and we tried a fluke, weightless fluke. We tried live bait for hours. I caught a whole bunch of bait and threw it out there. I even threw crawdads, because I caught a few crawdads, just scooped them up. And it took us a while, but we finally got us a fish. I decided to just leave the little holes we were fishing and then adventure upstream. So we're going up. I don't know how far. I've never been here, so we'll just play it by ear. We caught a fish. Whew, gosh, that feels better. Oh wow, we just got hit. Big time. Cool. Big old bass. He just swiped at it real fast. There's that largemouth. Oh man, we just missed one. He's coming back for it. Got him. Rock bass. That was neat. Yeah, this time of year it's just neat. Come out here and find these crystal clear creeks, rivers, and streams. There hasn't been any rain to muddy them up, so I've just been sight fishing, which is probably the most fun, watching them eat. Golly. Y'all watching? Oh yeah. Cool. We're starting to catch a couple now. It had been a while. I mean, we fished a long time. Oh, we missed one. These are little rock bass. But still, I'd rather catch a mess of little rock bass than nothing. That's not a little rock bass. Oh my goodness. What on earth? Oh, that's a big old smiley. Well, we got rewarded for all our hard work. Watch this thing go crazy. That is a big one. My goodness. Oh my gosh, that's a big fish. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That is crazy. Oh, that's a big old 2-pound fish. My goodness. Well, that's what you come out here for. Great job, Rich. Oh my gosh. Look at this stud of a smallmouth. His tail. Are you guys watching this? Yeah, you're watching. Look at this stud. He's a stud. Oh man. Oh man. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. That is incredible fish. All right. Let's get him some air. There you go, big guy. Oh my goodness. That was so cool, you guys. Daggum, that's a big one. Shoo. We waded up a ways to get to him. Okay, Texas rig. What does a Texas rig mean? It means a weedless worm hook and a bullet weight right above it. That's your Texas rig. There we go. And we've got the little hook seated right there in that little split. So when they bite into it, wham, it gets them. And boy, does it get them. That was awesome. Whew. Oh, I just missed one, man. I watched him swim up here and eat it. I was swimming it and I paused it. He came out and he chomped it, boom. I missed it. He's looking at it. Got him. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, that was awesome. And there he is. And I got a finger on him. I touched him. That was a largemouth. That was incredible. So I just reeled it across the river and then stopped it in the sunshine. And then when it stopped, he came over and looked at it. I gave it a quick twitch and then he picked it up. There. Oh man, I said there we go too soon. He picked it up, he swam with it, I stuck him, I felt him, he just wiggled off. Not very big, but there's one. That's a better fish. Better than that little largemouth was. That's a smallie. That's good. He ain't as big as that first smallmouth, but man, we're starting to catch them now. We're having fun. Come here, you. All right. Sweet. It took forever to figure you guys out today. But once we got you figured out, y'all watching this? Yeah, y'all are watching. Once we got it figured out, we're on them now. We're catching them now. Oh, okay, okay. Got a little feisty taking off. There's one. Look like a rock bass. Looks like a good one though. Oh yeah, another fat rock bass. That's a trophy right there. Oh, that's a big one. Man, that is a big rock bass. Cool. Man, we're having some fun now. This is awesome. Big old fat belly on that thing. I wonder if there's another rock bass right in that same spot. Yep. Oh, I missed him. that's in there. There's one. Oh, that's a smallie. Ah, it's a largemouth. Sweet, it's a little bit bigger than the one that got away earlier. The one that we watched eat. He might be a spotted. If that's a spotted, we've caught all three. No, he's a largemouth. No, he's a spot. He got that tongue patch, just barely. Little juvenile tongue patch. So we caught them all. Largemouths. No, he's a largemouth. It's a little rough right there on the tongue, but he's definitely a largemouth. And he is fat. Oh my gosh. He is a hog. That's a fat boy. Man, we're having a lot of fun now. That's 2 fish off of that log. I wonder if there's a 3rd fish in there. Well, that's not in there. My first 2 casts were way up in there. That one didn't get anywhere close. There's one. It's like a smallmouth. Man, it's just a ton of largemouth up here. The smallmouth, there's not as many downstream from here. I fished downstream from here a lot. And this is just, we're catching a ton of little largies. That's cool. The largemouth are way up here. You guys are watching, aren't you? Oh yeah, cool. Oh wow, look at that pool. With all that water flowing in right there. Come on. It's just emerald water. It's incredible. There's a big fish. Wow, there's a really big fish in that pool. Oh my goodness. Come on up here. Oh, settle down, settle down, settle down. There we go. That's not a little old rink-a-dink. That's a good fish right there. Solid smallmouth right there. Sweet. All right, man, we're pulling them out now. We're having a good time. Let's try to set him back in quietly. Nope, he wasn't gonna be quiet. He was gonna let us know about it. First cast in this pool though. It looks good. Oh no, we got hung up. Oh no. Oh, we got broke off. Oh, we've been throwing the same thing all day. Okay, well, let's change up lures. Let's put on a little paddle tail. Just a little one. Just a fingerling. Maybe 3.5 inches. All right, let's start moving back downstream. Got a big one. Oh man, that's a good fish.
Paddle tail swim bait. Oh, he spit it. He spit it. That was a smallmouth. We got the jump on him though. He didn't know we were here because we came around this corner, threw it right through there, and he crushed it. Then he did one jump. Boom, it was out of his mouth. That was a heck of a good time. That was fantastic. We tried right here and then a little bit downstream and just didn't have any luck with lures or live bait. So we went on a walkabout. We went a mile upstream and came back down. We really got into them. It took a while to figure it out. Sometimes it's like that. But what you need to do is get on Google Maps and find roads next to rivers, and just there'll be pull-offs. You can get in there and you can catch some fish. I tell people where to go fishing. If you like that kind of thing, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a better day.